Pioneer's been a family-owned company now for 4 generations. We do everything from pre-engineered warehouses to manufacturing. We build schools, we build multi-story buildings, we do housing, hotels. We do pretty much everything. We self-perform all our steel erection, metal building erection. We also self-perform precast erection, structural steel, and general trades.
The Flexco project came to us through somewhat of a negotiation process. The owner had expressed desires as to what they wanted, and what we had done was come up with a team of trade contractors, subcontractors, vendors, and kind of picked the best way to go at this project to achieve what the owner had wanted.
We felt that the structural steel solution was a better fit for the project because of the size, and the owner and the architect really wanted to go structural steel, and it just seemed to be a better fit for us.
We had to come up with something that's a little bit unique. CSS had offered us in some previous discussions some unique ways to do things, and we looked at it as this would be a great opportunity to get them involved, and it worked out well.
We started having meetings with the architect, and that's when CSS was involved at the very beginning. Main contact was Jeff. He was on the front end, did all the budgeting and stuff. It was Michael Stallings took it over as a project manager, and he was awesome. One of the big benefits I found working with CSS is that the customer service was awesome. Any questions I had, they answered.
If we had any issues, which every building has some sort of an issue or change that you need to make, Michael Stallings was right there for us. So putting up the building went really quite smooth. We had great communication right from the start with this process.
It doesn't matter who you're working with, CSS or with the VP group, everything flowed together just like a normal metal building. There was no issues, no surprises, everything went great.
This building is essentially built in a square or rectangular fashion, but it has this bow tie that's on the front of this, and you start to see it at the beginning of where the front entry is. And there's a lot of compound angles and a lot of different connections that are happening within this building as they are in the front and in the center of this. And the CSS portion of this really made a difference in terms of our collaboration and making sure that we got those right and to get everything dialed right in, and that worked fantastic.
It was just as easy to do a CSS project as it was a pre-engineered project. The planning was done very similar. It had kind of the same format, and I really do think that it was the people that were on the project that helped make the difference in that too.
I would tell other builders that are interested in working with CSS or not quite sure if they want to work with CSS that they should go for it, because they did an excellent job on a huge project for us and it turned out awesome. I would say don't be shy, go for it.